Yeah, baby. To say that I'm excited is a way understatement. I love this build. Oh my God. It is at a level all of her own. Not only does she win every time that she goes at a car show, who can help it? It is gorgeous. But to drive this, oh, it is an experience of its own. You have the Mustang 2 front end, so you got the rack and pinion, the disc brakes, and the power steering. It also has an 8-bolt rear end, 411 gears, but it is set up so you can drive her on the highway. That is not an issue with this car. Now, the fun part. Are you ready? Check this out. How about a Mustang Cobra fuel injected OH302? Oh, this baby just cruises. Any type of power you need instantly. Fully drivable, doesn't have a problem in traffic, cruises on the highway, gorgeous. What a build. Now, interior is all leather. It's soft, it's comfortable. You sit in this seat, you don't want to get out of this car. I mean, it's seriously that comfortable. Even has AC, has everything you need. Now, I could go down the build list, but we would be here all day. Don't want to do that to you, so let's get to the video. I got to do the business side of things first. My name is Sean. This is Panther Road Classics. We're located in Edmonds, Washington. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. My website is pantherroadclassics.com. Let's check out this cool car. AC. We'll put it on cold here. Extremely cold in just a matter of seconds. Very, very nice AC. What an outstanding build. Oh my God. You have builders and then you have artists, and this was built correctly. Everything from the stands for the show, which you are going to take home the trophies, but the real joy is in the driving of a vehicle. Some cars look beautiful, but then you go to drive it and it's not so much. This has it all. You drive down the road, the steering is tight. You got the disc brakes, you got the AC to keep you comfortable. It rides like a dream. You don't feel the bumps in the road. She's smooth. She is everything you are looking for. I know you're going to have tons of questions. My name is Sean. This is Panther Road Classics. We're located in Edmonds, Washington. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. My website is pantherroadclassics.com. Thank you again for watching. I will see you at our next video.